Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Dice Dreams support. To contact Dice Dreams support, first of all, open up the Dice Dreams app on your device, and once you do that, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, click on the gear button at the top right. You will then be able to see the support button inside the settings menu. Simply tap on that, and from the options, tap on Contact Us at the bottom. This will take you to the support team conversation section, from where you can go ahead and speak to them directly for any problems or the topics that you need help with. You can also reach out to Dice Dreams via email at support@superplay.co. Just be clear about your issue or question when contacting support. Make sure to provide your user ID or account details if necessary to help the support team assist you more efficiently. So that's how you contact Dice Dreams support with just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more videos from Dice Dreams. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.